This literally looks fake. That's what I'm talking about. Dude, this is nasty. A 2JZ?
Yeah. Oh my god.
Woo, baby. Alright, now we're gonna do a quick walkthrough of Liberty Walk. Bro, this place is so dope. So dope. Geez, you imagine, I mean, anywhere down the street, you could be driving anywhere and these cars are gonna look insane. Bro, Nando, this car, you could be driving anywhere in the world.
Not in Colombia.
Not in Colombia? Nah, it's an air ride.
Is it?
Yeah, it's gotta be an air ride. That one is too, but this car, I'm just saying, like, you'll never get tired of, I mean, it'll just stand out.
Looking at it.
Yeah, you won't get tired of looking at it. Look at this.
I mean, I gotta be honest. Liberty Walk is not my thing, but I think this looks badass.
I know. There's, for you to see one and then two.
I think that's Mr. Liberty Walk.
Yeah.
Right there, right?
昨日走った電気自動車の F1 が飾ってあります。
Say you do, you know, Achita does anero anger as the daddy must.
No.
This did not work.
Didn't work. These are a bit of the struggles here, but language barrier, but we're with Mr. Liberty Walk, so let's see.
Formula E machine that ran yesterday is displayed. Oh, nice. Yeah. Where?
5 minutes by car.
Oh,
here?
5 minutes in the garage. That's what he was saying.
Garage.
Nice.
My garage. Let's go. Yeah.
Drive it.
Let's
go. Okay.
Let's go.
Oh.
We have a car, right?
Yeah. Drive it. 5 minutes.
Okay. Let's go.
Let's
go.
Go.
Done. Easy. Saying if we want to go to his garage. Fuck yeah, we want to go. Oh, thank you, man.
Yeah.
Thank you. Which one's your car? Yeah.
My car? Toyota Matrix. Toyota Matrix? Okay.
Okay.
I mean, we don't all fit in our car.
We go in our car.
Yeah, we go. Yeah, let's go. Oh, he went on the other side.
I wanted to open the door for him.
All right, hold on.
This is going to be interesting.
Okay. All right, he's going to show us the Liberty Walk garage.
The Formula E car.
Formula E?
Yeah. Yes. Formula E car.
Let's check it out.
I like.
This is what you like?
Yeah.
All right, let's go, baby.
Baby. Let's go.
That's a good song.
Yeah.
80s.
Let's go. Due to regulations with the FIA, I can't take photos or videos of Formula E cars. Sorry. No problem. You're good. All right, so we're gonna not show the Formula E part. Can we show the other cars?
Yeah.
Yeah? Okay, cool.
Other cars, picture will be all okay.
Okay,
Yes.
thank you. You guys look like bosses right now.
Yeah, we are bosses.
You're right, fam. Your two employees back there look good. And now we've made it to the Liberty Walk Miami showroom. Let's go for a little walkthrough. Hey, careful, you're about to get ran over.
Do it again.
Why?
No.
You're about to get ran over. Careful, you're about to get ran over again. God damn it, this guy. Let's see, we got that 997.1. Bro, this is sick. I like this a lot too. A lot. Did you see the cars inside already? Come check them out. This one has really nice lights and everything too. What you think?
Crazy. We got a real diffuser.
Yeah, that diffuser's nasty. Here's where we're at. Bro, look at this. I saw the same kit at SEMA. This RX-7 looks wild. And then after that, we went to a meetup at SEMA. And the dude drove his car
Out there?
Yeah. Well, a lot of the SEMA cars were out there. It was sick.
Still on a twin setup. Crazy.
This is dope. This Ferrari is beautiful. Wow. This driving down the street must be insane. Seriously, bro. All these cars down the street must be fucking wild. What is that? Woo, baby. What do you think? Fire. Very exciting of you to speak of it like that. How is it? Fire. The whole thing is carbon fiber. Bro, these are sick.
All carbon fiber.
The whole thing carbon. Oh yeah. These cars suffer a little bit from cooling, but besides that, they're fucking sick. Look, they had another Geno's back there. You saw this over here? Wow. Those wheels are tiny.
I guess he likes American fast food.
Bro, even the tow trucks are fucking sick.
Tow truck is sick.
Yeah, and this tow truck, if you see, it's got Liberty Walk on the side, so it's theirs.
Absolutely, it's theirs.
I mean, this guy's got a whole crazy operation going on, man. This is so badass. Wow. Look at Daddy. Very impressed. Bro, I hate how he goes, it's sick.
Unimpressed yet surprised.
Unimpressed.
And amazed.
Bye, thank you.
Thank you.
Miami showroom, super awesome. Dude, look at this view right here. I mean, this is so awesome. All right, now we're gonna eat at the restaurant. Oh, this is cool. No food? Look how cool that is, bro. Yeah, you could probably buy one.
How are we gonna take it home though?
How are you gonna carry?
Yeah, you can't take that home, bro. It's gonna be a waste.
We don't have anything to put inside.
Poster not for sale, present.
Oh,
But take one, take one.
Okay.
Where are you from?
United States.
Miami, Florida.
Oh!
Yeah.
I love my showroom.
Yeah.
Okay, thank you. Miami!
Alright, I'm gonna have to get something from here. For sure. Hey, super fire, bro. Are you kidding me? Let's see, which one are we getting? Oh, bro, so they even got Air Forces. They got everything. This place is made for people like us. Like, this is like literally made for tourist people like us. Like, you know?
Absolutely.
They have everything set up, bro. Yo, I tried that on that shirt. I was like, fucking gas, boy! Yo, it's sick. We're here splurging.
Take care.
For real? Thank you very much. Bro. Sick. The marketing, honestly, on point. It's definitely made for tourists to come through. They encourage people to come through and like go into their store. We're there hanging out. The owner was like, yo, where are you guys from? Miami. Oh, you need to go to my other garage. Check it out.
The Miami showroom.
Yeah, the Miami showroom. So took us to the other showroom, which you guys saw. Just in general, it was a very dope experience. I really liked it. I mean, imagine. And it's funny because obviously you want what you can't have, and we want all the Japanese stuff. And for them, they have like McDonald's stuff, they have Coca-Cola stuff, they got Eminem playing in the background, you know? So all super, super cool. Definitely recommend to come check this place out. It's fire, bro. Dude, this car is nasty. It's too good, honestly. Bro, this is literally so good. This is wild. Yo, wait. What are these? Do we know yet? This literally looks fake.
It's a GTR, bro. You've never seen a GTR before?
It's a GTR. I'm gonna go pick up a girl and tell her, I got a GTR. Yo, but no way. Is this real Recaros? Hello? Oh, wow. Woo! That's what I'm talking about. Dude, this is nasty. Nasty right here. I know, rear mounted radiator. Dude. Yo. Oh, whoa.
Whoa, it's an SR20, dude. 4-cylinder.
Is it a 2J?
A 2JZ?
Yeah.
Oh my god.
Damn, 2JZ, full on drift car. This must get down, bro. Thank you.
Thank you.
With a 2J on there. Dude, look at these cutouts right here.
Yeah, it's sealed to the cabin inside, right?
Bunch of Kawasaki, Yamaha motorcycles. Dude, look at that one back there. That thing looks pretty badass. Look at this. That's a little much for me, but bro, look at the back of this car. It's really wild. Bro, but wait, this is, yeah, that's a race car. Right-hand drive. Now that you saw those motorcycles back there, the bikes look pretty cool.
Looking at it, look at that.
Yeah, that was the coolest one back there.
Yeah.
Bro, can we go upstairs? Eduardo going upstairs without asking a question. Dude, there's a lot of money here. Yeah. That's super wide, bro, but that looks insane. Dude, really look at that black car. That car looks like the Batmobile. That's wild. All right, guys, and this video is up to here. Let us know what you think. We're trying to bring you back a lot more cool content to the channel. We're in Japan, so we're gonna be recording a lot more. And dude, we're in Liberty Walk. I can barely talk just because we're literally geeking out. Dude, also, look at this. These guys are working here. How cool is this work environment? Dude, all of them rocking Liberty Walk. That's so dope. Having a company like this is literally goals. It's like, imagine, we're in the car industry and it's something cool. This guy has created a bunch of hype around this company. I mean, every year he makes a statement at SEMA, Tokyo Auto Salon. It's wild. I mean, look at the view we got here. All right, guys, and until here's the video, as always, love you, peace.